So, hello, my name is Verhasselt. I'm a research associate at the Luxembourg Institute of Socio-Economic Research, as the name indicates, located in Luxembourg, where I work on citizen participation. So LISER's role within the AntifragiCity project focuses precisely on this element of citizen participation. So we look very much at involving citizens in this larger European project, as in really trying to make sure that citizens' voices are heard throughout the different steps of the project, and so that what we ultimately contribute also takes into account what citizens want, and yeah, we hear them. So within the AntifragiCity project, we'll be organizing citizen forums in 3 demonstration cities. So we'll have a citizen forum in Bratislava, in Thessaloniki, and in Larissa. And so within these forums, we aim to bring together a representative and diverse section of the population to hear their voice, to hear their opinions, and to see how they think about mobility and transportation in their cities. So representative and diverse sample of around 40 participants in each of these cities. And so we'll really listen to them and want to hear what they think of how mobility should look like in their city in normal days, in normal times, as well as in emergency times. So what excites me most in the AntifragiCity project is, of course, the citizens' forums. I'm looking forward to see them happening, to actually see them in person. We've been working on them for a long time now. We've been closely working with the different cities, with all of the other partners involved, and I'm so excited to see them and to meet all of the participants in the different cities and to hear them. So for me, AntifragiCity is about hearing what cities are today and hearing what they might need in the future, and not only from experts or from municipalities, but also very much from citizens, learning from them, hearing from them, understanding their lived experience, and really taking that at the core of AntifragiCity.